Hello, my name is Tejas Krishnaji. I am representing Batch 24 under the guidance of Professor Shobha PS. I am here to present internship seminar which I have done in IC Solution. To start with, IC Solution is a digital service provider that aims to provide software designing and marketing solutions to individuals and businesses. They provide all kinds of technological and designing solutions from billing software to web designs or any custom demand. Some of the featured services they provide are design and development. They design and develop websites keeping the user need in mind. Consultancy. They provide their clients with expert advice on design and development requirements. Mobile application. They offer professional mobile application on both Android and iOS platforms. The internship I have done is entitled as Python Machine Learning. The training started with basics of Python, how to work on Jupyter Notebook, introduction to machine learning, and brief introduction on algorithm used in machine learning. And at last, how to train and deploy a model. Later, after the training, we were given with assignment on automobile price prediction using machine learning. Automobile price prediction using machine learning. In this project, it is based on supervised machine learning techniques to predict the price of cars depending on some entities enclosed in the dataset. Different techniques like linear regression, regression version of decision tree, and random forest analysis have been used to make predictions. The predictions are then evaluated and compared in order to find those who provide the or which provides the best performance. Basically, to do this prediction, I have used three major algorithms that are linear regression, decision tree, and random forest. As we can see the model chart, I deployed the algorithms and found out that accuracy of random forest was bit high compared to other algorithms and concluded that it's the best fit. As I attended this internship, I gained both technical and non-technical skills. Some of the technical skills are Python essentials, data analysis and visualization libraries, introduction to machine learning, supervised and unsupervised algorithms, model optimization, introduction to deep learning, and model deployment. Some of the non-technical skills are applying knowledge to tasks, organizing and maintaining information, improved problem solving, and critical thinking. The benefits I have gained out of this internship. I gained valuable experience how the IT field works, and I got a chance to apply my theoretical classroom knowledge into practical, and I got to meet some new friends. This is the completion certificate I have gained after completing the internship. Thank you.